Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to use RStudio to make simple calculations such as calculating the mean of some data. So throughout this class, my goal is to provide the simplest way to obtain the relevant output using R. But if you are an expert in R, you may argue that there might be better ways than the ones I suggest, but I will use simple and clear function as possible that may not distract from learning the important concepts. Like Excel and other statistical packages, R has many built-in formulas or functions. And within each function, R also provides various options, such as labeling the axis of a graph, inserting colors in a chart, and so on. I will not use every option within a function, rather I will use that I feel most useful and least cumbersome. Most of the time, we will be importing the data files, but for now I want to show you how you can use R to perform a simple calculation. Suppose we want to calculate the mean of the data. First, let's learn how we can enter the data in R. So first, in R, we use the C function, which combines the values to form a list, or perhaps more mathematically precise, the C function combines the values to form a vector. Let's say this data is called example. So I'm going to type here example, and we will use smaller than equal to sign and dash, which is equivalent to equal sign in R, and then type C, and then in the parentheses we enter the numbers -4, 0, 6, 1, -3, and -4. To run this code, you can click on source, and once you click on source, you see that in the environment pane we have new value which is called example. Also, you can view the data in console pane by entering example after the prompt. So here in console pane I can type example and then enter, and you will see that example is composed of values -4, 0, 6, 1, -3, and -4. Another option is you can use view function, but be careful, R is case sensitive. V starts with uppercase. View example in the source pane. Once you run this code, source pane shows the example. Another common function in R is the mean function. If you want to calculate the average of the numbers in this vector, we use mean, and then in the parentheses you are going to type the value, which is example. And once you type, you can run, and on the console pane you will see that the mean of these numbers is -66667. In the next video, I will show how you can import data in R.